Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Isa. Thank you so much for being here. If you like what you see in this video, please subscribe down below and become part of the fam. So today's video is going to be how I customize my iPhone 12 Pro Max. So I did do an unboxing of my iPhone 12. If you want to go watch that, I'm going to put a card right here. So here on my channel, I do everything lifestyle and tech. So if you like that, please subscribe down below and let's go straight on to today's video. So I'm going to move to the side so you can see the screen of my phone. So if you haven't watched my previous video, I have the iPhone 12 Pro Max in gold, and the case that I have right now is the silicone white MagSafe case from Apple. Okay, so this is the first page that I have on my phone right now. So I'm going to try to make this video really quick. So the background that I have on my phone right now is from Pinterest. Every single photo that I'm going to use today is from Pinterest. So if you want to go look for some inspiration, let's go to Pinterest. What I like. So literally, if you go to Pinterest, there are a ton of photos that you can choose from. That I like to put on my home screen, so like decoration. So yeah, I chose a few that I wanted to use. So let's go to Widgetsmith. So I already did my widgets, but I am going to show you anyways how I did them. So I have small widgets, medium widgets, and large widgets. So I have 3 small ones. I have this photo that I got from Pinterest, this little cute design, like a rainbow design, but with a lot of oranges and kind of more those orangey tones. I am really into that, and I really like those colors. So that is kind of the aesthetic that we're going to do today. So let's save that. The other widget that I have is a normal date widget. So I have the font rounded, the tint color white, and the background color is a custom color, and there is no border on the widget. And the last small widget that I have is a battery percentage one, and I love this feature from Widgetsmith. So I have the battery icon, I have the tint color in white, I also have the background color, a custom color. It's kind of a pastel pink, and the border color is white as well. And let's go to the medium widgets now. So the first one is a time widget. So I have the location, the font. I chose the New York one. The tint color is custom. I have a pale pink and the border white. Let's go save. And the other widget, the medium widget that I have, is a photo that I got from Pinterest as well. And I have 3 large widgets. I have first a calendar and a time widget. I have the time, the location. It's the rounded style, like the font. It's the white tint color. I have a custom background color, no border. And then the other large widget that I have is a photo from Pinterest as well, and my vision or dream board that I have talked about so much in my videos. But if you don't know, if you are new, I practice the law of attraction, and one of the things that you can do is a vision board or a dream board. So that is what I have right now. So that is a photo and save. So now that we have all of the widgets customized, let's go on and put them onto my homepage. So I also wanted to do a what's on my iPhone video, but that is going to be a separate video. If you were wondering, I wanted to do the customizing the iPhone first. So when I do the what's on my iPhone, it's already customized. So this is the first page of the phone. Let's tap on the screen, go to the plus sign, scroll down to Widgetsmith, and I'm going to choose a large widget first. I'm going to choose the calendar one, so let's change that. That is number 1, like that. So then let's go to plus sign, Widgetsmith, and I want to choose the small battery percentage widget. That is going to be it for the first page. Then if we scroll, we have the second page. I am going to choose a small widget. I'm going to change that to widget number 2, like that, and let's go to the plus sign, Widgetsmith again, medium. I'm going to choose a medium one. So I also wanted to put another small widget in here, so let's go do that. So there we go. I think I'm gonna leave it like that. Okay, that is so cute. Okay, we have the photo, the calendar, and another photo on top, and it's looking so cute. I love it. Then we scroll to the third page, and I'm going to put another large widget. Let's scroll the photo like that. And well, you can also put another small widget in here, like to fill it up. Now we have 4 categories, so we can put another widget. So let's go to Widgetsmith and let's create another small widget. Let's customize it. Okay, so let's choose the day. So let's go to white, background color. I think I want like a pale pink, a border white, and save. So let's go to the plus sign, go to Widgetsmith, add widget, and there you go, we have another widget. And the only widget that I have on the last page is my dream board or vision board. And I wanted to put that for the last page so I can see it and just have it right there, and that's the only thing I see. Final product, the first page we have the calendar with the date and the battery percentage. Next we have the 2 photos and the date widget. Then we scroll, we have the day widget and another photo up here. And lastly, my dream or vision board. So literally that fast, that quick, you can customize your phone with only Widgetsmith, and that is something that I like to do. So guys, that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. It was very quick and easy, but I love watching these videos and making them. So if you liked what you saw in this video, please subscribe down below, comment any video ideas that you have that you want me to do in the future, and also like this video because it helps me grow so much. And I also appreciate every single comment and every single one of you comment on my videos. So yeah, that is going to be it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!